Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn psychology for beginners. First, understand that psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. Start by exploring foundational areas like cognitive, developmental, and social psychology. These fields provide a broad overview of human thought and interaction. Focus on key concepts such as perception, memory, and personality theories to build a strong base. This initial exploration will help you grasp the diverse nature of psychological inquiry and its many applications. Next, delve into the major psychological perspectives, such as psychodynamic, behavioral, cognitive, and humanistic approaches. Each offers a unique lens through which to understand human experience. It is also crucial to study research methods, including experimental design and statistical analysis, to evaluate psychological findings critically. Furthermore, explore the biological bases of behavior, including neuroscience and genetics, to understand how our biology influences our minds. This comprehensive approach will deepen your understanding. To solidify your learning, read introductory textbooks and reputable online resources for clear explanations. These materials often present complex ideas in an accessible way. Watching documentaries and listening to podcasts from experts can also provide engaging insights and real-world examples. Consider taking an introductory course, perhaps through a local college or online platform, or joining a study group. Structured learning and discussion with peers can significantly enhance your comprehension and retention of psychological concepts. As you progress, apply psychological principles to everyday situations to reinforce your understanding and see their practical relevance. You might also explore specialized areas that pique your interest, such as abnormal psychology, forensic psychology, or sports psychology. These fields offer deeper dives into specific applications. Remember, continuous learning is key in psychology. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keep exploring, questioning, and expanding your knowledge of the fascinating human mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.